Alright, so this is the brand new Lava Agni 4, and before I open it, let me be honest, the Agni series has always been that under the radar lineup for me. It's not loud, not over marketed, but every year Lava does at least one thing that makes you go, okay, that's actually interesting. Last year's Agni 3 had that secondary display at the back. It was a fun idea, but overall it was a bit experimental. This year, Lava seems to be taking a more mature approach. The Lava Agni 4 starts at 22,999 with offers, and at this price I'm really curious to see what Lava is trying to pull off, because the whole pitch this year seems to be premium build, clean software and their new Vayu AI thing. So let's quickly unbox it first. So as you can see in the box, you get the phone, a 66-watt charger, Type-C to Type-C cable, a case, a SIM ejector tool, and some paperwork. Basically everything you need. Good to see Lava is still shipping the charger in the box. These days, that's a luxury. Okay, first impressions, the Agni 4 feels properly premium. It's definitely an upgrade over the Agni 3. This is an aluminum frame and you can feel it instantly. It has that cold metal touch which you don't get at this price point often. And the back here is made from glass, but unlike what Lava claims, this is not a matte texture or an anti-glare glass. As you can see, it's got a glossy finish that almost can get smudged very easily, and it attracts fingerprints also. But you know, this black color that I have received, it's got a very understated look, so to speak. The Agni 3 was heavier and a bit chunkier, but this one feels much more balanced in the hand. It's also because of the camera bump that you have got there. It's much more smaller than the last year. It's also got IP64 rating, which is the same as the Agni 3. So it's not entirely waterproof, but splash resistance is always helpful. But yeah, early impressions are solid build and a very nice finish, but the in-hand feel is way better than last year. This is a 6.6-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with 2400 nits of peak brightness. Right off the bat, the panel looks brighter than Agni 3 and the colors feel a bit more balanced to me. Also, these 1.7mm equal bezels on all sides make the whole phone look cleaner, and I've always felt symmetrical bezels add to that premium vibe. So inside there's the new MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset. Lava claims around 1.5 million on Antutu, which is okay, it sounds nice on paper, but as always, actual performance matters more than numbers. I've only done basic setup so far. The phone feels quick, animations look smooth, but I haven't gamed on it yet or pushed it with sustained loads. So if you want me to do a full review or a gaming test or compare it with any other phone, just let me know in the comments below. We also get a clean Android 15 experience right over here, no bloatware. I think this is becoming one of Lava's strongest selling points. The UI feels very light and very responsive. So Lava's big talking point this year is the Vayu AI. Unlike most AI features we get these days, this one is built into the system. You get this AI companion on the home screen which reacts, talks, has kind of like a personality, kind of like an animated assistant. And then the whole suite of agents: Math Tutor, English Tutor, call summary, translation, image generator, cutout tools. The list is long. I need a few days to properly understand what's genuinely helpful and what's just for fun. The Agni 4 has a 50 megapixel main camera with OIS, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 50 megapixel selfie camera that shoots 4K 60. Last year's Agni 3 camera setup was a bit more ambitious, I feel, because you got an 8 megapixel telephoto camera as well. I haven't tested it yet across daylight, low light, ultra wide, portrait modes and all that stuff yet. This is literally just a first look, but stay tuned for our full review. Now we get the same 5000 mAh battery capacity as last year, but somehow the phone feels a bit lighter. 66 watt charging again, with Lava claiming 50% in under 19 minutes. We'll see. Agni 3 also had 66 watt, but we'll run a battery test to see if there are any improvements. So that's the Lava Agni 4. Early impression, it feels like a more grown-up version of the Agni 3. It's got a better build, better display, and a whole lot lot of AI features, which I need time to fully understand. If you have questions, comparisons, tests, or any recommendations for the next video, just comment below, and thank you for watching.